here running snow courses, practicing for snow season coming up, and basically just running through and using all the plows, practicing maneuvering all the trucks around different obstacles, and just getting ready for snow season.
Hardest part of the course, I think, is the cul-de-sac.
They've got some obstacles set up there in the cul-de-sac.
Signs, basketball goals, just, you know, kids playing, so there's a lot to look out for.
There's basically some barricade stuff set up over here, like for going around cars and using our plows going in and out.
We're just backing up to the barricade there behind us, and then we're gonna start knocking down some of these pins. Simulate like there's a car next to us, so just gotta get around the parked car, be as careful as we can.
We have a lot of moving parts that we're paying attention to. We're watching where we're going. We're watching the wing plow. We're watching around us. There's a lot of cars and stuff to pay attention to during the day. And at night, there's cars parked on the road.
Sometimes when we're plowing, we leave pie shapes in the road, and we gotta make sure we clean those up throughout the city. So it's just simulating that we're cleaning out the pie of the snow that we left in the middle. I'm gonna push that just straight forward towards this, basically acting as if this is a curb, kind of someone's yard, and just kind of slowly push it up into their yard without damaging, obviously, the grass. We'd like for cars to be off the street. That would make our life a lot easier to get the street cleaned 100 times better. If you give us space, we'll get the road cleared in no time, and everybody's good.
So give us room, and we're there to help you out. Don't crowd the plow.